Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking to light up your home, I want to show you these light bulbs that we love. These are from Philips and these are a 9.5 watt LED light bulb that replaces a 65 watt incandescent bulb. So these definitely save on energy, but they still do an amazing job at lighting up your space. So we have these in several recessed light fixtures in our home and we really love them because they have a super slim, sleek design and they just kind of fit right into the space. So I really love that they have a large amount of light. These are called an indoor floodlight, so they really do a great job at lighting up a space. I also like that they are dimmable, so if you have them on a dimming switch, you can adjust them, which we have in a couple areas. So overall, these are just awesome light bulbs. They work really well. They light up our space. It's got a beautiful, nice, soft white light, and I really appreciate the energy saving as well. And that's my point of view.